To get the ball rolling. To start a project or process. To bring someone up to speed. To update someone with all the latest information. To hit the ground running. To begin a new job or project with great energy immediately. To think outside the box. To think creatively and use unconventional ideas. The big picture. The overall goal or main objective. To get our ducks in a row. To organize and prepare everything carefully. To cut to the chase. To get to the main point quickly, without wasting time. To be on the same page. To have the same understanding or agree. A win-win situation. A positive outcome for everyone involved. To tackle something head-on. To deal with a difficult problem directly. To be up against a deadline. To be working under intense time pressure. To put something on the back burner. To delay work on a task or lower its priority. To run out of steam. To lose energy or enthusiasm to continue. To pass the buck. To shift responsibility or blame to another person to avoid dealing with it. To play hardball. To be very firm, aggressive, and uncompromising in a negotiation or a business situation. To go the extra mile. To do more than what is expected or required to achieve a positive result. To be swamped. To have an overwhelming amount of work, tasks, or obligations. The bottom line. The final result, the main point, or the most important factor in a decision, often relating to profit. To keep someone in the loop. To ensure someone is continuously informed and updated about a process or project. To loop someone in. To include a new person in an existing group communication or process. To throw in the towel. To quit, give up, or admit defeat on a task or project. To drop the ball. To make a mistake, fail to execute a plan, or neglect a responsibility. To bite the bullet. To accept a difficult, painful, or unpleasant situation and deal with it without complaining. To chew the fat. To chat casually, relaxed, and for a long time. To talk shop. To discuss work matters in a social or non-work setting. To give someone the benefit of the doubt. To choose to believe someone's honesty or good intentions, even if you are not sure or have reason to doubt them. To put out fires. To deal with urgent, immediate problems or crises one after another. To clear the air. To resolve a misunderstanding, tension, or disagreement by discussing it openly. The elephant in the room. An obvious, important problem or situation that everyone knows about but avoids discussing. To get the axe. To be fired, dismissed, or laid off from a job. To hit a home run. To achieve a great, outstanding success or victory. To take the lead. To be in charge, to assume the main role, or to start initiating action for the group. To hit the nail on the head. To describe exactly what is causing a situation or problem, to be precisely correct. be on the right track. To be proceeding correctly and making good progress toward a goal. To sing one's own praises. To boast or talk too proudly and frequently about one's own achievements. To call it a day. To stop working on something for the rest of the day. To put one's feet up. To relax and rest, especially after hard work. To make a killing. To make a very large profit, often quickly and easily. To learn the ropes. To become familiar with the basics, essential details, or procedures of a task or job. To burn the midnight oil. To work very late into the night.